Okay guys, you can see I'm on my PC screen right now. Firstly, I have snap camera here. Let me launch it and show you that it's totally working. So as you can see, I have launched snap camera on my PC and it's working perfectly. So if you want to use snap camera filters in your Zoom meetings, then you just have to know how you can use snap camera in 2023. You can see here snap camera is no longer available as of January 25, 2023. Okay, let's close this for now. And I have a video here. You can see right here. This video will guide you on how you can still use snap camera in your PC perfectly. So after you have learned how you can install and use snap camera in your PC, firstly I'm going to exit the snap camera from the tray. Exit it. This is very important. Okay, now let's go to Zoom. So in order to use snap camera in your Zoom meetings, let's go to settings firstly. And you're going to go to the video. I have blurred my video right here currently. And you can see the camera settings here is been selected to integrated camera by default. So we're gonna change this to snap camera. Just click on this drop down arrow and then select the snap camera from here. Now snap camera is not launched, so it's showing this screen here. So what you need to do is just close it here, and I'm gonna launch snap camera now. Okay, launch it. So I have used the cartoon face filter here. Now let's minimize it and let's go to Zoom. Now we just need to start new meeting or join any other meeting. So I'm just gonna select the new meeting. So it's been connected here, you can see, and I'm able to perfectly use snap camera face filters in Zoom meetings. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up, and if you found this video very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.